Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to solve a lead code problem with Golang. So it's a fairly easy and very common problem. Valid anagram given two strings s and t. Write a function to determine if t is an anagram of s. Here we have an example. Anagram and nagram. Well, t is an anagram of s because we can reorder the characters of t so that it matches this string. Here we have a second example, rat and car. Well, t is not an anagram of s because we cannot reorder car, the characters of car, to form the string rat. Okay, so let's try to do this with Golang. I am not a Golang expert, but I find this programming language very interesting, and that's why we're going to use it here. So also I have to mention that I know there are more efficient solutions than the one I'm going to provide here, but the idea is that I want to show the solution that I will have done if I were to solve this problem in a live coding interview. Okay, so first thing is to check the length of the strings. So if they are different, we just return false. No need to do anything else. Okay, now the second thing we have to do if the length of the strings are equal is to sort these two strings and check if they are equal. And when I say sort, I mean sort alphabetically, and check if these two strings sorted alphabetically are equal. Okay, so there's no built-in function to sort strings in Golang, so we have to create our own function to sort a string. So we're going to call it sort string, and it's going to receive a string s, and it's going to return a string. Okay, now we can convert this string to a slice of run. So run is basically an alias for 32-bit integers. So basically we're converting a to its equivalent ASCII representation, and that's each character is going to be stored in this slice of runes. A slice is basically like a dynamic array. So basically like an array in JavaScript. Now we have here, we have to import the sort package, and we have this sort.slice function that is going to receive our slice, and as the second argument is going to receive a function which is going to have as parameters these two variables I and j, which are going to be the indexes, and it's going to return a boolean. Okay, so here basically we have to return if r of I is less than r of j. So basically like the sort function in JavaScript. Then our slice r is our slice r is sorted, so we have to return again the string that results from joining the characters of this slice of run. Okay, so now we have this function that sorts strings. Okay, now simply we call this function twice, one for s and one for t. Okay, and that's all. Let's run our code. Okay, and let's submit it to check if we passed. Okay, so runtime 12 milliseconds, faster than 22.61% of Go Online submissions. So not that good, but as I told you, this is not to show you the most efficient solution, but to show you how would I have done this problem in a real coding interview. Okay, so that's everything for this video. I hope you like it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.